The new multi-blade from Blue Diamond Attachments is loaded with industry-leading features. This blade has a single pivot system that allows the blade to both oscillate and have variable down pressure from a single point. What that means is this blade will follow the contours of the ground, and you are able to apply varying amounts of pressure to your cutting edge by this flex point right here. Why that is so important is it allows you to keep full traction of your wheels or tracks, or in the case of a tractor, keeps you from lifting your front wheels off while applying pressure to your blade. The way the variable down pressure is applied is the tilt of your quick attach. Set your blade down till the cutting edge hits the ground, set your quick attach to the desired pressure, and off you go. This blade also offers extra trip spring spots if you want extra tripping capability, and then it also has this hole here where you can put a hardened bolt in if you want to keep your blade from tripping. What that allows you to do is for backfilling trenches, light grading work, grading out a driveway, just added features to this blade to make it more multi-seasonal. The angle of this blade, it angles to a full 30 degrees, about 5 degrees more than your average blade. And the curl of the blade, as you can see, it's a nice tight curl, keeps the snow alive and rolling as you're pushing. Again, this helps with traction and what you can accomplish with this blade.